Good morning, welcome to Kingsbridge. My name is Harry. I'm just going to show you around this absolutely stunning 2022 Mercedes-Benz A35 AMG that has just landed in stock with us. This one is obviously finished in Cosmos Black. The main bits on this is it's a single owner from new, full Mercedes-Benz Service History with all of the right bits on it. So we've actually done the Panamerica Grille on this one, and we've also, those eagle-eyed people probably already noticed it, we've also done the bronze, the AMG bronze calipers on here as well. But obviously this one is fitted with the night pack, so all of the exterior details all in black, and then obviously the Aero kit, which give you these little front canards on here, the boot spoiler, and a bit on the diffuser as well. But adaptive LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, reversing camera, the upgraded multi-spoke satin black and diamond turned alloy wheels, again with those yellowy, the bronzy orange calipers, which look absolutely amazing. All of these exterior details, part of the night pack in black. Little bits of chrome here and there, like the badges, the door handles. In the Panamerica grille, the fronts of those slats with the badges, all ties really nicely together. Being a premium plus, obviously we have the panoramic glass roof, all that lovely ambient lighting, and the more modern sort of wraparound screen in there as well, being the slightly newer version of electric heated memory seats. These lovely brushed aluminium bits, again more ambient lighting, leather across the tops of the doors, the dash, full leather seats, obviously in black with the silver stitching, AMG mats, everything's still present. The door sills all illuminated with the AMG, and these have still got the plastic protectors on them. Previous owners really looked after this car, really babied it. Rear seats all lovely. But condition wise, it's absolutely stunning. A real nice car this. Again, you've got the black exhaust tips, in our sports exhaust on this one, with the bit more aero bits on the rear diffuser there. Obviously the boot lip spoiler on there as well, or proper spoiler, it's not really a lip spoiler, but very good sized boot. Brilliant cars these. With the right spec, right colour combinations, these things are very, very good news. They were sold very, very fast with us. Again, all the wheels are lovely. I think it's on Pirelli tyres all around, which are all got decent tread on. Nice car. And on the interior, again, all that lovely ambient lights and the flat bottom AMG steering wheel. Again, screens in here have still got, you can see there, still got all of the protective film on there. One thing I've seen a lot of people do, which makes a big difference, is you can see all the reflections on there. You can actually get like a satin PPF over the top of that, which removes all the glare from the glossy finish. Makes quite a big difference. So on here, satellite navigation, DAB, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the stuff that you could possibly want. There are some performance bits in here, obviously being an AMG. There's all sorts of bits and bats in there. That's where all of your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the other bits and bats are. And then loads of different settings for assistances, various bits in the vehicle, etc, etc. Won't bore you with all of that for now. Front and rear parking sensors and reversing camera, as I mentioned. Mileage 23,000 and something somewhere. It's 23,000 or something anyway. Dual climate control, as I mentioned, heated electric memory front seats, and then down here all of your control panel for your screens up there with all your home back buttons, and then your quick keys there, and down here your adaptive suspension, your gear selects, whether it's fast gear changes for more sporty driving, and then on here you've got all of your drive mode selects. There's race and transmission, etc, etc, etc. You can change all of that how you like it in individual and have it set exactly how you like it. But again, in sport, and Sport Plus, you'll notice a tone change with the exhaust. Just opens up them valves and gives you a bit more sound. These sound really, really good. Again, with modern day cars, OPFs, etc., they sound a lot better under load, but gives you an idea. And then on here, all your usual controls for this side, and these controls for this side, as well as obviously your cruise control, speed limiter, etc. And then all the usual mod cons, things like your auto dimming rear view mirror, electric, heated, folding door mirrors, and then loads of little gloss black and aluminium interior detailing bits. But mega cars, these cup holders, little place for your phone, obviously keyless entry, push button start. Again, with keyless entry and push button start cars, always recommend, especially with performance cars, getting a decent tracker system fitted, but we offer loads of different options through Scorpion with that. If you are interested in this one, please do give one of the team here at Kingsbridge a call. We'll be more than happy to help. But that 2022, 23 and a bit thousand miles, mega spec, right colour combination, lovely condition, one owner, 2 keys, full Mercedes-Benz service history. Really, really, really nice example, that one. But we're more than happy to help if you want to give us a call. And keep an eye on our YouTube and on the website for any new stock that we get. And we shall see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.